Hey Apple fans! The iPhone 17 is rumored to rock a bigger display and jaw-dropping upgrades that could redefine smartphones in 2025. Is this Apple's boldest move yet? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into these iPhone 17 leaks. A Weibo tipster just spilled major iPhone 17 details: a larger 6.3-inch screen on the base model and always-on displays for the Pro versions. These leaks show Apple is stepping up its display game. Want to know what's coming? Keep watching! The iPhone 17 base model is getting a 6.3-inch screen, a size once exclusive to the iPhone 16 Pro. All four iPhone 17 models, Standard and Pro, are expected to feature Samsung's M14 OLED panels for vivid colors and a 120Hz LTPO display for silk smooth scrolling. This is a huge leap for the base model, closing the gap with the Pros. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to debut an always-on display, letting you glance at notifications without waking your phone. While the standard models miss this feature, they'll still boast stunning OLED screens. Apple's keeping the Pro models premium, but giving everyone a display upgrade. Sound like a win? These rumors show Apple is pushing boundaries, bringing Pro-level display tech to the base iPhone 17 while saving some perks for the Pros. The M14 OLED and 120Hz screens could set a new industry standard for vibrant, fluid visuals. With a fall 2025 launch expected, is the iPhone 17 about to dominate? The iPhone 17's larger, smoother displays are coming to redefine your smartphone experience. Whether you're eyeing the base model or a Pro with always-on tech, these leaks have us pumped. Which features got you excited? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the iPhone 17's rumored display upgrades. Are you hyped for the 6.3-inch base model or the Pro's always-on screen? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this leak, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.